Hi friends, I am opening a trimmer Philips make. It is wait for a while opening this one. We can check the performance and what it will be here in this trimmer. So I have ordered in Flipkart. So I got these trimmer within 3 days from the date of order. So here is the invoice from Flipkart. So put aside this. Finally I got my trimmer. It is a 3000 series Philips. Here is the technical data of this trimmer. And this model is BT300011. Opening this. This packing is inside is color good. It's very good to see the packing. So it is coming with inbuilt pouch. This is openable and closable pouch. Is coming up with this closer, just like zip. So these are manuals, and this is warranty card, 1 year extra warranty card. Normally it is coming up with a 2 years warranty. So 1 more year extra warranty. So total 3 years warranty on this trimmer. Here is the manual, and here is the user manual. It is also, I think it is this one, warranty card. So multiple languages are used. And one more, this is charger. Whatever the adapter here is, 240 or 230 volts AC input, and I think 24 volts DC or AC here it is, I think. So it is coming up with brush. So these are I think stainless steel plates. So they have given the brush. Finally going to open this trimmer. So I have ordered green color, so received the same in green color. So coming with one clip. So here is the trimmer what I ordered. Here is the brush to clean this. So this is the blade I have received from this trimmer. So it is washable with water also. It is water resistant. These one blades. So we can go for the performance. So the battery is low. I have to charge to this open condition. And it is ultra dual power, corded or cordless trimmer. So I will show you the with cord performance. So before that I am going to show you here it is the settings for 10 settings of this complete brush. So it is 10th setting, it is 9th setting. You can observe this. We are setting this trimmer. It is moving just like coming up closer and moving out from this closeness of these blades. So like this it is working. So aesthetically looking wise it is good. we are Virat Kohli's signature. This means autography signed by this Philips timber. Okay, we can go with the performance wise. One line. So I have connected the adapter to the power socket. So I will show you the power on or off. So it is charging. And it will work also. So while charging, it is blinking the power. So you can see it is working with card. I can check whether it is working or not without card. Like this. So just within 1 minute charge is working like 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes like etc. So you can see this. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.